Hey there! Did you ever think that your favorite crispy bacon might actually have some surprising health benefits? I know, it sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's dive in and uncover the facts. First up, bacon is rich in protein. We all know that protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Just a few slices of bacon can give you a good dose of high-quality protein. But wait, there's more. Bacon is packed with vitamins and minerals. You'll find vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B12, as well as minerals like phosphorus, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients are vital for keeping your body running smoothly. And here's a fun fact. Bacon can actually boost your brain health. It contains choline, which is crucial for maintaining healthy brain function and memory. So, next time you need a mental boost, a little bacon might just do the trick. Feeling low on energy? The B vitamins in bacon help convert food into energy, giving you that extra pep in your step. Now, let's talk about some concerns. Bacon is high in sodium, which can increase blood pressure and contribute to stomach cancer risk. Plus, bacon contains a significant amount of saturated fat, which may increase cholesterol levels and heart disease risk. There's also the issue of nitrosamines. Cooking bacon at high temperatures can form these carcinogenic compounds. And remember, bacon is a processed meat. Excessive consumption may increase the risk of colorectal cancer, as suggested by the World Health Organization. So what can you do to enjoy bacon responsibly? First, limit your consumption. The NHS recommends keeping red and processed meat intake to about 70 grams per day. You can also choose nitrite-free options. These are becoming more available in the market and are a healthier alternative. Balance is key. Pair your bacon with nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This way you can enjoy bacon without compromising your overall diet. And finally, cooking methods matter. Cook bacon at lower temperatures or try baking or grilling to reduce nitrosamine formation. In conclusion, while bacon does offer some nutritional benefits, its high sodium and saturated fat content, along with potential nitrosamine formation, means it should be enjoyed in moderation. Remember to balance it with a healthy diet for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. See you next time.